Shemai guys, and welcome to WWScenics. My name is Martin and I'm going to show you our brand new range of Scratch Aid after this. Okay, so what is Scratch Aid? So what we've done is we've designed basic buildings so you can add on top. Yeah, so you build the basic buildings and then add your embossed card or your embossed plastic card, renders, so you've got a rendered building, the texture to it. And then you can bring stone effect into it, and then what we're going to do then is add to the basic range for maybe on our 3D resin printers, some shutters, some extra chimney details and extra details like that. Yeah, so this is going to be expanding as we go along. Yeah, so basic tools that we need is a scalpel. Yeah, to get them from the post cut. Yeah, we call this the post cut, so it's safe when it comes to you. Yeah, so all you do is just cut it off and then glue it together. I use super glue. Yeah, there's our new range of super glue coming out soon. Yeah, I think this month, something like that. Yeah, you can use that, or you can use a strong white glue. So our basing glue, yeah, for static glass, really good for MDF as well. You can use that. Okay, so what we're going to do is get straight into it, and I'm going to build it. Right, so I got my instructions. Yeah, there they are. Got my tools and my glues and the building. So let's get to it. Right, there we go, a short little video just to show you how to build them. Yeah, they're simple to build, they just go together, they're there for a scratch build like I said, and then you can add the detail on top, okay? So we've got, here's the finished range, the small little range that we're releasing just for now. Yeah, they're all low relief, right? So low relief, I'll try and get it out there. Yeah, so they're that thick, okay? So there's like a warehouse or an office or a factory type thing. We got our double, our single and our triple row of houses, and then obviously we've got the little manor house or whatever you want to call it that goes from there. Nice little range. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed building it. If so, please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the Facebook group because there's some good things coming up on that. Until next time, thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.